Hey everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. This video going to be the best video that I have published in my channel, where I will show you the way that you can use Qwen 3.8 open weight model totally free and unlimited. Qwen just launched this open weight model and it is available in Hugging Face. You can easily use this model inside your Cloud Code, inside your Visual Studio Code. You can see API key is none. Before starting video, I will show you how much intelligence this model is. Where Sonnet 4.6 only scores 67 in terminal bench 2.1, but Qwen 3.8 27 billion score 73 in terminal bench 2.1, means it is more intelligence than Cloud Sonnet. This type of intelligence model you have, use it for free. Qwen mentioned that we promise open weight for Qwen 3.8. Now time to meet them. A native multi-model dense model with just 27 billion parameters. It outperforms Qwen 3.7 plus overall and shine in a real world coding and office workflows. 262K native context, easily extendable to 1 million token, built for the high efficiency, high quality and license under Apache 2.0. This is the open weight model, and it also mentioned download, deploy and build something we haven't imagined yet. This is the model, and each and everything will be mentioned here. I don't want to hide anything. It will mention this repository, a content model weight and configuration file for the post-training model in the Hugging Face. You know everything. Highlight point, code capability and agent execution. This is the two things that we have required. Not only this, some other highlight point will be available, but these two will be the key in our case. All the model overview will be available here. Number of parameter 27, hidden dimension 5120, token, number of layer, hidden layer, everything will be mentioned, and it will outperform the Qwen 3.6 27 billion and Qwen 3.7 plus as well. Okay, this is the benchmark, agentic terminal coding benchmark, agentic coding. I have already mentioned during video start. It will outperform the Cloud Sonnet 4.6. In terminal bench 2.1, it will score 67. In SWE bench Pro, it will score 58. But here, SWE bench, it will score 61, and terminal bench 2.1, it will score 73, which means this model is intelligence model. Here it will mention everything. If you want, you can visit out here. I will provide this Qwen 3.8 27 billion endpoint link is in the video description, and all the document that I have used in this video, which is provided by Victor. Okay, if you want to know who Victor is, then this is the official person from Hugging Face. You can see it will provide this endpoint. Here it will give us the endpoint, but shocking part, API key is none. You don't even require API key. In documentation, it will mention that you can easily use in Cloud Code and other editor as well. But when I try it out in Claude, then it will not work in my case. That's why I don't want to share this method with you. Okay, you can see I have connect Qwen 3.8 27 billion API uses as billing, but it will not work in my case. It will show this type of error. After that, I will sort some alternative and I will find you the best way. Now you can directly use inside your Visual Studio Code. Yes, I will show you the way that you can directly use inside the Visual Studio Code. I will show you two different ways. First, using Kilo Code. Download this Kilo Code extension from the Visual Studio Code extension market. Search Kilo Code. You can easily find it. This is the official extension. Kilo Code, AI coding agent, copilot and autocomplete. After you have installed it, it will be reflected here. Then go to this profile section. You can see I want to make you clear everything. I will only log in. You also need to log in here, and my balance is 0. Okay, after that, go to the setting section. In setting, you can find this provider. Click on this provider section. Go to this custom provider. Click on connect provider ID. You can provide any provider ID, just your name or something else. I have provided Victor name. Give provider ID and you can give any display name. Now provider API will be the OpenAI compatible. This is the base URL. I'll provide this link is in the video description. Copy it and paste it here. After you have pasted, it will automatically detect the available model. Qwen 3.8 27 billion. Add this model API key, just provide none. Okay, none will be the API key and submit it. After you have submit, you are ready to use. I have already added it. You can see vector model are now available to use. After you have connected, go to this model section and source for provider name that we have give the vector. Two vector will be available. Okay, you can select any one of them. Both are same name, same provider. I'm going to select it, and you can see now magic is start from here. It is very quick as well because this is the light model. There is no any API key. You can easily use as much as you can. This is the best way that you can use foreign intelligence model inside your Visual Studio Code. And not only from Kilo Code, you can also connect it through the client extension as well. You can choose any extension that you are comfortable. You can see OpenAI compatible. I have selected the OpenAI compatible. This is the base URL that I have used, Hugging Face cloud/v1. This is the API. Non-model ID will be the Qwen 3.8. If you need model ID will be available here. You need to provide the exact model ID if you using client. After you have provided this all, set the reasoning speed and set it down. Now you are ready to use. What is AI? I have set it in plan mode, perfectly working. You can use this type of intelligence model in your Visual Studio Code. I will show you by testing its capability. Okay, where I am going to ask this question to ChatGPT, which type of task it will give us. We are going to test it. Okay, we can't build one complete project here in this video. It will be very long. Debugging test, it will provide this debugging test. This is probably one of the best way to test this model. Give this real broken code rather than asking it to generate the code. For example, I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to paste it here, and I'll ask them, my Flutter shopping cart has the following problem. Can you solve it? Okay, I'll copy it all at once. If I do one by one, then it will take time. Until it will complete this task, I'm going to see some other scope as well. Given it a real Flutter error, okay, code base analysis, feature implementation test, API integration test. Hey, any AI can do this type of task. Reasoning analysis test, security test, SQL database test, fix my project test, agentic coding test. You can ask ChatGPT to test and spend some time to testing it and decide, does this platform is best for you? Every platform is not suitable for you. You need to test it and you need to decide, does it perfect for your case. You can see, let me consider the root cause of this problem. Problem 1, duplicate item. When adding the same product, it will analyzing it. I have opened it inside my test folder. I'm going to add one image inside my test folder, and I will ask them to analyze this image as a developer perspective. I think it will completed it. This is the total analysis. Here is the analysis. Duplicate item are re-added. Root cause, fixed direction. You need to add them to fix this error. Quality change not reflect in the total. Okay, it will mention age and everything. Removing the wrong item, it will find out all the error and point out how it will solve it. It is good. Now I'll ask them to one question. Inside my test folder, design.png image is there. Can you analyze it as a developer perspective? Let's see how it will analyze it. I'll show you the image just a second later after it will complete this analysis. During testing, I'll analyze two things. AI speed will be depend on some multiple factor inside your device as well. Okay, it will be depend on internet speed, your device speed, which extension have you used. When I use Kilo and Client, I'll feel that as compared to Kilo, Client performance is faster. It will currently searching this inside the test folder. If I'll browse this image here, then it will complete this task faster, that I will think. But let's see. Okay, it will get this image, currently considering this image. Okay, there is the spelling mistake during saving image. Instead of design SING, but still it will consider it and analyze it. Okay, it will mention that I can't view the image. This model doesn't support image input, so I am unable to analyze the image design visuals. This is the one disadvantage of using extension. If you use editor like OpenCode, Cloud Code, then it will easily happen. I have also achieved it using OpenCode. This model can analyze the image, but using extension this will be not achievable that I have thinking, but it will provide the complete metadata about this image. Instead of metadata, we have required the developer perspective, how design is look. But using this extension, this is, if you want to use it in open code, comment down below, then in next video I'll cover it. When I'll try it in cloud code, it didn't work. Okay, this is the way that you can use Qwen 3.8 open weight intelligence model inside your Visual Studio Code. If you want and your device allow it, you can use it locally as well. This might be the game changing, where you can get more intelligence model like Cloud Sonnet 4.6 inside your device. The model has only 27 billion parameter and 1 million context window. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding, bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.